Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a full whiskey unboxing, try on and review. Now I've been seeing their pieces everywhere and I've always loved their really cute elevated styles, and thanks to their gifting I now get to see what all the hype's about. It's really one of those elevated athleisure brands that blends technical fabrics with fashion trends for outfits that really work for real everyday life while still looking super cute and stylish. I'll be showing you everything I chose from Whiskey, how it fits, which I actually have high hopes for, as every piece has more than 4 fittings to really ensure the quality and fit is spot on, how it feels and whether it's really worth it. We'll go through the quality, sizing and my honest thoughts after trying them on. So grab a coffee, get comfy and let's get into this Whiskey try on haul. Okay, first up, I'm not quite sure what's in this box because it doesn't have anything written on it, so it's going to be a bit of a surprise which is in what box is. Oh, as soon as I saw this I thought it was going to be really lovely. It was one of those, it's not athleisure wear, it's not their leggings or sports bras because I work out at home. I'm not too worried about cute sportswear because no one's going to see me, but they've got some really cute kind of everyday pieces and I thought this would be really cute for Europe or walking around here, going to lunch, brunch, all the rest of it. It's such a versatile outfit that you can style different ways. Oh, which one am I going to do first? I'll do that afterwards. It is a matching set. I'm all about buying matching sets because it makes dressing so easy versus like what are you going to match with what. It's this and it comes in a few colors. If you don't like blue and white stripe, who doesn't like blue and white stripe? It's such a classic. It is, I should have put a table over here, this beautiful blue and white shirt. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's quite lightweight, which I really like because I feel like it's a layering piece for the summer. You could wear it for spring and fall, and they even packaged it with this plastic insert to keep the collar's shape, and on there you can see their Whiskey logo crest on the collar. What I wanted to show you was the accents, the white collar and the white cuffs. I think that's really cute. And then I got to go underneath it this white sports bra because if you look on their website, the model's styling it different ways. Sometimes she has the shirt open, sometimes she has it knotted, sometimes it's fully done up. So it's one of those shirts you can really play around with. And it's pretty much seamless, which is one of the things I really like. So it's not going to create lines underneath. And then you do have removable padding in there if you want to take that out. And if you get the sports bra, it just gives you a few more ways to be able to style your shirt. And then I got the pleated skirt to go with it because I just thought that was such a cute, preppy look. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And it says a Whiskey Tennis Club on the waistband. How cute is that? And then even better, the waistband is elasticated, so you can get a really nice fit on the waist. And I just noticed there are even built-in shorts. So you could actually use it for playing tennis if you wanted to do something active. If you live somewhere windy like I am, it gives you a bit of modesty. So let's pop these on and see how they fit. Okay, so first impressions are I am very impressed with the sizing and the quality. So fit-wise, I ordered a small. Normally I would order an extra small in clothing, but this doesn't come in an extra small. So I looked at their sizing chart and I looked at what size the models were wearing because that's a really good reference point. So for reference for you, I'm 5'2". I would normally wear an extra small. I'm wearing a small and it's perfection. So quality-wise, I'm so impressed. This sports bra is so super soft. It's really well elasticated. And on the back, you have the little Whiskey logo in gold. So a really good piece to put underneath. I've left the tags on because I'm just trying things on. I wanted to make sure everything fitted. Then on the skirt, again, this elastic, absolutely brilliant to get that really nice snug fit. And there was a zipper on the side I missed showing you when I pulled it out of the bag. I didn't notice that. I just think that's really, really cute. And then that's the short length underneath. Let's try it with the shirt. Now the shirt is also a size small. It is designed for more of that relaxed, oversized fit. I'm sorry if I mess with the mic sound. I don't really want to put it on the shirt because I'm worried it's going to take it out of shape and distort it. So a few ways you could wear it. You could literally just throw it on like that as a cover up, or you could knot it at the front just with these two pieces, either just that half knot or the full knot, and then you could just leave the back piece down. I tend to, if I'm knotting tops, tuck that back piece under as well and then make it slightly shorter at the front, especially with the details on this waistband. I think it's quite nice if you can see that. So then that's with the full tuck all the way around. And I would probably style this with something like white loafers, sneakers and socks, slide sandals. I feel like it's a casual everyday piece, but it's more of a polished everyday piece. Super, super cute. Let's see what it looks like actually done up like a shirt. Okay, that is how the pocket sits, but I'm going to move the mic because otherwise I think you're going to get a lot of interference. Now, if I was actually doing this up like a shirt, I would probably change to a regular bra so you can't see the white sports bra underneath. And then later when I'm fully dressed, I will show you the full outfit fully styled, just in case you're looking for some styling inspiration. This is so cute. This I think is going to be my full outfit. And then obviously you can play around with how tucked in, how untucked you have it. If you have it kind of tucked in, you can see the name on the logo skirt a bit more, or you could have it slightly more relaxed, or you could do kind of like the French half tuck. Oh my gosh, absolutely love this. It's definitely a shirt. You don't just have to wear as a matching set. You could use this to mix and match. Wear it with white jeans, blue jeans, black pants, white pants. It's a very, very versatile shirt. I feel like everyone needs a striped button-down shirt. It's just such a classic. And the same goes with the skirt. It's one of those pieces you can mix and match to get more wear out of it. Maybe that's a white bodysuit, a white t-shirt, a white button-down shirt. So lots and lots of ways to wear this matching set, and the top and bottoms are sold separately. So if you only wanted one piece, not both, if you need different sizes in the top and bottom, really, really easy to do that. Okay, let's open the other box. So because I work from home, it's very easy to get into the habit of just wearing sweats around the house. And I'm really trying to make the effort to wear cuter pieces, but I still want them to be comfortable. And I like to sit cross-legged in my office chair, which I know isn't good for me, but it means I tend to like to wear shorts or pants when I am working from home. So I thought this romper would be absolutely perfect. It looked so super cute and stylish, and it's one of those things you could run errands in or work from home. Go to lunch and brunch in. I think this is so adorable. Look at that, how cute is that? Okay, let's pop this on. Okay, so the fit on this is perfection again, and it's so super soft. I feel like as a petite, sometimes proportions can be a bit off. The legs can be too long, the arms can be too long. This is absolutely perfect everywhere. And then it has an elasticated waist, which I think makes for a more flattering fit. It's one of those really cute retro pieces. That's what I like. I feel like the pieces are so different. They're not just your average playsuit, romper, onesie, whatever you want to call it. And the material is really, really soft. You have that whiskey logo right there. I kept the white sports bra on underneath because it was so comfy. And again, it creates that seamless look. You can't see that there's a bra underneath. If you wanted to change how many buttons you had done up, you could. And I would style this very similarly to how I would style that matching striped skirt set. Things like white loafers, white sneakers, white slide sandals, and then slippers at home. And it's one of those things, because I live in Vegas, I can get a lot of use out of. It's still 80 degrees and it's November here. So just a really lovely piece I think is very unique. So overall, I am very, very impressed with Whiskey. I will definitely be buying from them again, especially when they've got their sales on. They've got a really good sale on right now. I'll pop the details about that below. Their sales are always changing, so I'll try and keep the description updated rather than putting a code or details here, because it's going to keep changing. Sizing wise, I would normally wear an extra small. I wear small in Whiskey, and I feel like that fit is perfection. The quality is great, and it's just really good for really unique pieces that I don't think many other brands have things like. I'll link everything I wore in the description below as well. If you have any experience with the brand, comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.